Okay, this is a naloxone kit. This is the antidote to an opioid overdose. The other name for this drug is called Narcan. So in the kit, it's unzipped, and inside we see a few items, and I just want to show what's in the kit. First and foremost is the ampules here, which contain Narcan. Each of them is 1 milliliter, which is enough for one dose to give for an overdose. In this bag are a rescue breather device that's used to prevent mouth-to-mouth contact, but allows for mouth-to-mouth respiration. Also, these are gloves, just sterile gloves. 2 sets. This is the mouth-to-mouth barrier device, and this is used to put into the patient's mouth, and it opens the bag over top of their face, and so it's a valve that allows air to go in. These are their 2 syringes, a syringe and a needle. The needle is used to draw up the fluid from the syringe and also to inject it. There's the instructions here, and the main thing is to stimulate the patient. We'll get to this later on, but to provide rescue breaths and then to give the intramuscular injection if they're not responding. So this is alcohol wipes to use on the skin. And finally, this is the ampule that contains, this is just a device to prevent it from breaking. I do this to get the solution to fall to the bottom, and ideally when I'm using it I would break it here and it snaps at the stem here. So after that I would put the needle in and inject the fluid. So this is the naloxone 1 milliliter of the antidote, and that's the kit for you.